Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to day number 3. What is this? Oh, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to day number 3, part number 4 of this snowstorm. This morning I was supposed to be out taking care of all the sidewalks and getting them all snow blowed off. Well, this morning when I got up, it was snowing. And it just quit snowing now. It's 12 o'clock. So I am going to have to go and check the one parking lot that is supposed to be fairly clean for their customers. And I don't know if it's going to need to be plowed or not because this stuff is melting pretty quick. So I'm just going to go over there and check that out. And if that doesn't need to be done, I'm going to go do 2 driveways that have to be done. I forgot about one that was yesterday, but there's nobody living at either one of these houses, so I will get them done and then work on my sidewalks. So let's go check out that parking lot. Good deal. I don't have to plow that parking lot. And you can tell where I threw the salt out on the parking lot there yesterday or the day before or whatever it was. I can't remember what. I think it was 2 days ago. I threw a bunch of salt out. And the salt that I use got calcium chloride and also sand mixed in with it. And a little more expensive, but it works well and it sticks around for a while. So I don't have to worry about any of that parking lot. And I'm just going to go out and start on them driveways now. Okay, I'm going to walk up this driveway and put this camera up in the corner by the garage in the house. Looks like it's protected out of the wind and the snow and everything that's coming down. Snow's blowing out of the trees. Wind picked up probably about 30 miles an hour. So I'm going to get this set up there. At least you can watch me do this today. I like plowing out driveways like this. A few passes, just scrape it down and I'm out of here. And if I could do these all day, things would get done really, really fast. There's no sidewalks to do or no nothing. It'd be nice to have 30 or 40 of these driveways just like this where there's no shoveling or sidewalks or anything else you have to do. But that's in a perfect world, and I don't live in that world. So when I was plowing this, where the camera was set up, I could see the front of the plow. And I was able to get closer to the building, or closer to the garage, just because I could see the screen. So it gives me some ideas for next year for snow plowing and for some of the videos. So always coming up with ideas. I can't always make them happen the way I want, but I'm going to be trying. So only one bad thing about plowing this driveway is the road that is on, or that it is on. It's not very far off the main highway, but there's a lot of traffic down this road. And the speed limit's, I don't know, the speed limit's not very fast. I don't even know what it is down here. It's probably about an 1/8 mile to the main highway. And by the time they get to this driveway, they have to be hitting 55 miles an hour. It's just crazy what they do down this road. Because as soon as they turn off the main highway and onto this road, you can hear the acceleration. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah. Speed limit's 35 miles an hour through here. And it's just amazing how fast they go past that house. Backing in there, backing in that driveway in the summertime with a trailer is a nightmare. Because these people will not slow down. They will not wait for you. They'll go around you almost into the ditch so they don't have to slow down. It's just amazing how they drive through here. So on to the next driveway. Last of the driveways done. Now all I have left is sidewalks. I think there's 4 sets of sidewalks I have to do, and maybe 5. I think there's 5. And I will go do them and see if I could drop a camera out there and get a video of me snow blowing. But with the way the wind's blowing and the way things are going, I'm not sure if that's going to happen. But we'll see what happens. Okay, this yard's done. I gotta check one more yard, or one more set of sidewalks, and then I'm gonna go to shorelines there and finish this video up. That is gonna be it for me for the day. The winds are picking up, and it's getting tough to do any snow blowing on the sidewalks, and they are starting to melt off pretty good. So hopefully they'll just melt off, and I won't have to worry about them. But with that being said, for the next 3 days, it's supposed to snow every single day. And then 2 days after that, it's not supposed to snow, and then it starts all over again with the snow. Unless the temperatures change and it warms up, because it's supposed to be 45 to 50 degrees right now is our average temperatures in our area for this time of the year. Well, it's been 25, 30, so we're way below average on our temperatures, but above average on the snow, I think, right now. I think we just got more than we were supposed to for the season. If not, we're right at where we should be. Like, I think it's 110 or 120 inches of snow for the season, somewhere around in there. I can't remember exactly, but that is going to be the end of my video for today. I'd like to thank everybody for watching and subscribing. If you could check out the links in the description box, it'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you at the next yard. And this is at the beach. It's snowing so hard you can't even see the tree line about half a mile away. So we're going to get a bunch of her. And it said heavy at times, so we'll see what happens.